Meghalaya BJP organized a workshop on the Waqf Amendment Bill in their bid to dispel misinformation on the Waqf Bill. Former Vice President of BJP Meghalaya Pradesh Gagan Jain said that the state unit has been tasked to spread awareness on the bill to the citizens and dispel any distortion surrounding the bill. A program in honor of the father of the Indian Constitution, Bhimrao Ambedkar, was also organized to remember and highlight his contribution towards the nation and enlightened the BJP workers on his contribution.
Told that we have to take the truth about the Waqf Amendment Act and dispel all the misinformation that the opposition is carrying out on this important act, and how the northeast, the tribal areas, have been left outside the purview of the Waqf.
Deputy Chief Minister